Hello guys, this is English with Nizarada and today we are cooking dinner. Let's learn English and make a really delicious food. Today I'm making meatballs with mozzarella, rice and a caprese salad. First I make meatballs and I add some mozzarella inside. I take this bowl and open my oven and put this inside. Yeah. At the same time, I'm cooking some rice and I'm waiting for the water to boil. I'm making caprese salad. There are tomatoes, mozzarella, olive oil, and some additional ingredients. Now I'm putting the rice into the boiling water. I cut tomatoes and mozzarella. Here is the final result. It looks amazing. What do you usually eat for dinner? Tell me in comments. It'll be interesting for me. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I really appreciate that you are with me. See you in the next episode. Catch you later.